Moms on sale, 50% off. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new here, please follow me so that you get updated with all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. So I'm here at Lowe's, and they have some moms at 50% off. You can see some beautiful, colorful moms here, and they have all these moms at 50% off right now. So it's a good deal. Check it out. If you have Lowe's around you, you can check it out and be able to get some of these moms. They are very nice and beautiful. They have a variety of colors. And as you can see, they have some white, you have some little bit of pinkish red and yellowish red. So they have a good selection of moms here, and they're all blooming right now. Probably that's why they have it at 50% off, because very soon the flowers are gonna fall off if they don't sell it now as soon as possible. So check your local Lowe's and see if they have moms, these same moms on sale. Or you can also check some other stores around you and see if they have it. It's almost time for them to start getting rid of the moms and stuff like that. So they have them on sale right now, and you can see the colors, how bright some of the colors are, and you can definitely get some good quality decoration flowers for the home or for the garden, for the yard. And you got some beautiful colors here that you can get. They also have a few other plants. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. They have a few other plants too, but most of what they have right now is moms and beautiful colors that they have with a variety of sizes. I think their prices is about $6. So I don't know if the $6 is with the 50% off, or they get 50% off. That price goes down to $3. So something to check out. I didn't scan it to see the exact price, but you can see the sign that shows you over there, 50% off all their moms that they have at this particular store. So you might have the same thing in some other stores around you. So all you can do is check it out or call them, and they'll let you know if they have moms on clearance like this for 50% off. Also, let me know in the comments below if you've planted moms, or if you love the moms. You bought moms before. Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what you're planting right now in the fall. Let me know in the comments below. So you can see I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of what they have here at Lowe's. And like I said, they have some beautiful color moms, and definitely something to check out if you're looking for some beautiful flowers. Over here, let me take you to this side where they have some regular plants and shrubs. They still have them over here. As you can see, they have some plants and shrubs over here that are also they are still, I think they're still on regular prices, but I'm sure they're gonna be going to clearance very soon because of the cold weather coming and other stuff. I know some of them can survive the cold weather, but I'm sure they're gonna be able to get rid of these flowers and shrubs that are regularly sold in the summer. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel or you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and leave a comment below. And also don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody. Stay safe.